I'm Damien from Tended. Today we're on site with RSS, our partner who we're working with on this blockade for CRSA to deploy geofencing in our geotagging system. So this is a major renewals project where they're installing a new track and a bridge as part of the HS2 upgrades, and it's exciting to be on site with the team today. So as you can see, what we've got on the dashboard, so this is our online platform that's used to plan and then manage and control a whole site from a safety perspective. And what we've got here is an access point that's been mapped to show the compound and the site access control point. And then you've also got the possession limits, which are marked by the possession limit boards, the marker boards here. We've also got, as you can see on track, 2 tampers. These yellow tampers are actually carrying out works at the moment, and this blue ROV is currently working on the new bridge installation here as well. So what we've done is planned and mapped the whole dashboard according to the Safe Work Pack and the ELR and miles and chains. And that's allowed us to provide all the limits. So there's actually an open running line at the top of the site, and that allows us to create a safe zone exclusion. So when any equipment or any people step over the limit there, if they were to, they would get an alert to let them know they were stepping outside of their safe working area. And now what we've got is these areas where there's sets of points, where there's a risk of a potential points run through. You have ROVs and tampers moving on site. In order to help prevent these points run throughs, we have these cutout areas to alert to the crane controller or machine controller on site, and they will also receive an alert on the dashboard so that the ES is alerted to a movement that's coming up to a set of points. And this just helps when you're managing a large possessional blockade to reduce the chance of a points run through by letting the relevant people know, giving them that warning in advance to say you're approaching some points, and to help with the current process they have in place. So we've been out on site today seeing how our system's been deployed across the blockade at Duddeston. It's been really good to see it out in action and helping to improve safety on site. It's helped the ES to reduce the risk of things like points run-throughs, marker board irregularities, collisions on site, and a number of other potential risks to teams and assets that are working on site. So it's been really good to see it. There's been some great feedback, and we're looking forward to the system being deployed elsewhere across the CRSA.